Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this property, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 7.7. It is the very good. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 5 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Checking down in this hotel is well clean. This property is well clean. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking a bit more details about this resort, please go to link in description. If you have checked out from this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new resort.